Oh, you're broke. That was a good goal. That was a good. No looker, yeah. No looker.
Jingle bell.
Okay. You got a good spot. Told you it's not gonna end well. Go on. It's not gonna end that good. That early.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Broke way.
That shit crack.
Told you you're that good, oh my god, that was so bad. That was straight down the middle, man. But watch it, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it so quick. Look, this one's gonna count. Now the left goes seriously. Like Ryan got 2. So. Oh, that was a nice goal. Good goal, man. Oh my lord.
Look at the top of his head.
Right. You are gonna lose. I'm gonna end it, look.
Not quite, mate.
Hurry up, bro. Oh, hey, no, you're gonna lose. So trash shit. Look at him, he's so wet, boy. So well done, that's good. Jan, you ready, yeah? Mama, you ready? Oh.
You sick.
Look at the top of his head.
Hold on. Go, nigga. Ah, you trash.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up, wool up, wool up. Just wool up.
You trash. Garbage. That casual walking. You know I'm gonna hit. It's in. It's in. Too good.
Wait till you see the.
What happened?
No.
Okay, next time. Are you mad? You're not gonna hit it though. That's the thing. Look, watch. He's not gonna hit it in his dreams. I know. No. It's just gone. It's gone.